Welcome. In front of me is a Poco C65, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications and then swipe down once again from the top of your screen to extend the list of toggles. One of those toggles should be a screen recording toggle. If it's not visible in the first page, you can swipe to the left to see additional pages. Now, for me, the toggle is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It will bring up this overlay with a couple options. So we have the X for closing, we have the gear icon for settings, then folder to display all the screen recordings, and then obviously the record button. Once you start recording, obviously whatever you'll do will be recorded. This extends to majority of the applications, but not all. And luckily we do have one garbage one to show up here or showcase this with. So Netflix, I can see that it obviously shows us the page right here. It allows me to log in. What you will see though on the recording is that we get none of that. We're not even in the app really at the moment. We haven't even logged in, but the app already can block the screen recorder. In any case, here we're gonna select to stop it. Now I'm pointing that out because number one, by not logging in, I haven't agreed to any terms of service. So how the F is this garbage already just messing around with my device? That's basically what I'm getting at. So I'm pointing Netflix as a kind of like a prime suspect right here, just because it's the most garbage one and comes pre-installed with devices and has more control over your phone than you do. So it's a bit of a middle finger. But it's not the only application that will be utilizing this, let's call it feature. Anyway, before I go any further, let's locate our screen recording, which will be located in our Photos application. I'm gonna close this. There we go, Photos. We can then navigate to Library, and here we should have, there we go, Camera. So you can see it playing around, and in a second you will see also Netflix not showing up. In any case, going back to the applications, this feature is good as a security measure, but it obviously is intended for different kind of application, not this dog shit right here. So as an example, bank applications. You wouldn't want any kind of malware to spy on your bank just so they could, for instance, gauge on like what kind of pins you have and all that stuff. By the way, this is the screen recording of Netflix. You can see a whole lot of nothing. So for applications like bank apps, that is a good feature. Netflix doesn't really have anything that I would consider sensitive as my information, so it's a middle finger from Netflix to me, basically telling me we don't want you to pirate our content, which it's none of their effing business what I'm gonna do with it as an application because I pay for it. So yeah. In any case, I just kind of wanted to go into this and also wanted to point out, if you ever encounter such a problem where you have black screen as a recording, even though you know you were recording something, just know whatever you are trying to record was just blocking the functionality of screen recorder. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.